Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, as you guys can see, I brought the twins over to a Lowe's activity, which they have fun. Right after we decided to do a little spring dress shopping, we have a few events coming up, and so I decided to pick up the girls some dresses at my local children's place. And you guys would not believe how much each of the dresses came out. So I'm just going ahead and lay them each out for you. How adorable are these? The rainbow bottom dress was, I believe, $6.99 each. And the green one was, I believe, about $8.99 for the baby and the toddler. So super, super dope. Over here, I also went to Marshall's and picked this little cute piece up, as well as this beautiful purple dress. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is so adorable. Look at the back with a little bit of a bow, and it also came with a headband. So cute. I also got this for big sister at Costco. So adorable. Like I said, we have a few events going on this month, and I just wanted to be prepared. Also, I got this really cute outfit for brother. This I think I got at Marshall's. This outfit as well at Marshall's. I think $7.99 each. Additionally, I bought brother some chino pants at the children's place, as well as some polo tops. I think the polos were about $5.99 each, and the chinos were about $7.99 each. I just can't resist a sale, y'all. And what I love about the children's place, this is no ad. I am not being sponsored for this, but you can use coupons and all the dollars that you spent there. It's amazing. So I'm just laying out the outfits just so I can have a visual of what I'm going to be, how I'm going to be pairing it off, basically, because the events that we have really require like a casual look. I guess I have to just kind of lay it out to decide how I'm going to do it. Additionally, I went back and picked up this really cute sweater to cover baby girls' dresses with. The thing is, with spring, you just never know what weather you're going to get. Same thing for baby boy. I went ahead and got this jacket, a little more expensive than I wanted to spend, but look how perfectly it matches with the tops and with the bottoms. How cute. Love it. I just love when things work out that way. So here I am. I'm just laying them out, getting a little bit of a visual of how each of the outfits are going to look. And hopefully the day of, everything will come together, so on and so forth. So yes, y'all, check out the children's place. They always have very affordable children's clothes. In my opinion, y'all, I just don't feel like spending a lot for kids' clothes. I'm back. So I just grabbed a few things from the store. Some tomato soup. My kids love it. I'm about to make some grilled cheese sandwiches there, as you can see. Bam. It's not a full haul. This is just grabbing a few things that I felt like I forgot the other day. I do love Costco, but sometimes, I don't need that many stuff from Costco. So just some OJ. I stacked up on some of the Infamil Gentle Ease. That's the formula that my baby drinks. It's strange. Sorry, y'all. So I grabbed some grapes, some onions, some peppers, hummus. I love eating this with some carrots, the baby carrots, some yogurt, OJ. The Uncrustables. These are great, y'all. Since I can't send the kids in with peanut butter, anything peanut butter, so we just kind of eat them at home. Whatever. I had to grab some oil. And that's it. So I'm about to make them their soup with the grilled cheese. Oh, and some celery. No, sorry, cucumbers. I also had to replace the baby's cereal. I noticed that because I've been giving her this, I put it in her bottle to thicken it up, and I noticed that she's just been a little constipated. So I just decided that I was going to go back and just get the right cereal and hopefully ease her tummy pains. Which is fine. It works just fine. So I'm going to go back to the basics and give her that. So I'm going to go ahead and get started I'm going to warm up the soups, make the grilled cheese sandwich, and yeah, that'll be their lunch for today. So everything is coming together. I made the grilled cheese sandwich. Check these little cute bowls and plates that I got at Pottery Barn of a Charlie and Snoopy. I was trying to get matching bowls to plates, but unfortunately sometimes you snooze, you lose, can't find it. And I also found these cute little matching spoons. I believe these came out during Thanksgiving, and I thought it was just so adorable. I had to grab it. I'm gonna go ahead and pair their lunch with some sliced cucumbers. My twins love this, and some grapes. So look how it came out. Super cute, super easy, guys. If you're ever in a crunch and don't know what to make for dinner, tomato soup.